Okay, I'm kind of wobbly and a little bit lightheaded right now after 45 minutes of shoveling. And one of the main reason is that I made a critical mistake. Before working out or doing any exercise in the snow or in the cold environment, drink water. This is critical because when we, as warm-blooded animal, when we do intense exercise, movement in the cold, we lose water from two sources: sweat, and our organisms sequester the water to pee more. The reasons for that are pretty fascinating, they're pretty interesting. They have to do with how we try to adapt as a species to the last ice age. But the fact is that we pee more. Anyone that has lived or that lives northern latitude, Chicago, Minnesota, Quebec, Yellowknife, these places will know what I'm talking about. You go cross-country skiing or you go ski slope, next thing you know, in the afternoon, you absolutely need to pee. You lose more water. That's a mistake I made. And right now I'm gonna go inside and drink, at the very least, 4 cups of water. So, but something to keep in mind that I wanted to share, because it looks like this winter is gonna be pretty epic. Take care, talk to you soon, bye.